some other place.
Yeah, so did you write those points? Did you check how far you are able to perform your duties now? Mentioned in the 2 columns. Okay. Now write about, now you have written like, in 1 column, what is your duty and what are you doing, right? So you can make out the difference between these 2 columns, isn't it? So now write where exactly the conflict arised. Where the conflict arised between the 2 belief systems. For example, I want my child to be happy and I want him to be healthy. These are 2 belief systems. So what is happening if I insist my child to eat the beetroot and he's not happy for that, what am I giving upon? For his happiness, I'm giving upon the health aspect and focusing on this happy wala aspect. So most of the times we have the clash of belief system, the conflict comes, we compromise with one aspect and go with the other aspect. But being our duty, is it our priority or not? You can sort out that aspect. For a betterment of the child, health of the child, the moral and ethics for the child are important, which are duty of a parent. So where actually the conflict is arising for you? This part you are supposed to answer me.
Yes, Mary. When child is sick, he demands to eat ice cream. But we know that he should not eat ice cream, but sometimes we allow it by compromising our health and all. That is one thing. Similarly, jealousy. Jealousy also. Child gets jealous of others having good clothes and good amenities and all that. And we tell them to manage with whatever you have to be happy.
Yeah.
Like that.
So, sir, actually, I want you all to write with practically applicable in your day-to-day life for your children. For your children. I cannot put myself in age of 70, but I can think from year of 70 and I can tell you what will happen exactly. If at all I consider my grandparents or someone, they will be keep on insisting us on like, is this work done? Have the doors been closed? Did you eat this kind of diet? Have you done with that? For us, it may be like, they are keep on interfering in our aspects. From their end, what is they are doing? They are concerned about our health. They're concerned about our well-being, so they start intervening. Now the point comes at age of 70, when a child is grown up, they are married, they are doing their jobs and they are settled and they are taking care of their kids. What is the duty of parent at that age? Okay, our duties, our dharma will be changing. Like, when your child is a toddler, when your child is adolescent, when your child has grown up more, their duties will be keep on changing. So when our children are 30 plus, what would be our duty? So if at all people who are, then in the same way, you can think when your child is toddler, what are your duties? When your child is adolescent, what are your duties? So be like that. Don't go either to past nor to the future.
I have listed. Can I tell you, madam?
Yeah, sir. With pleasure, please.
Okay, madam. I have made here two separate. I mean tables.
Okay.
One is duties of parents. Another one is what we are doing now. Third one I will tell you afterwards. Because what is the conflict arises? The parent of duties. First, we have to take care of hygiene of the child. It is a must. It is It is
Sir, you're
utmost
writing
priority of
about
the
only
parents.
yourself, right? It's not common
Yes,
for all.
yes, yes,
You're,
yes.
yeah.
No, no, myself. No, it's myself, and it applicable to others also.
Done.
First, it start from myself.
Done.
So that is take care of hygiene. That is parent duty.
Mm.
Second is providing very good food, healthy food.
Mm.
We have to provide. We are providing healthy food as per the belief system is there. Healthy food. Third one is we are allowing him to go schools properly, making dress something, whatever the school requirement. As per requirement, we have to follow.
Mm.
That is duty of the parents. This is three separate stages. If we go to what we are doing presently, okay, we are sending this children for classes, okay, but properly we are not sending, because whatever the present, if we take a COVID situation, what we have to follow the rules and regulations that we are not completely doing. We may miss out something, even though it's applicable to me also general also. Number two, what happened? We are as a parent, we are not giving them freely, madam. They are going some like sticker and they are going attend and coming schools. That is second part. Third one, generally we have to provide both class and we have to check day to day what is syllabus and going on, homework, what it may be. We are check that we are doing. If it come to conflict, as early compared to earlier children they are going to go to field and play whatever they like. Now it is restricted because of due to this coordinate is practical restricted. We are not allowing them. So there they feel unhappy. They like that we are making him into putting box and lock like that we are doing. There actually conflict definitely it arises. Oh, I want to go play with my friends or my peers, but my parents are not allowing. What you do? Definitely conflict will come. Even though we make them understand also, somewhere of the corner it is there, madam. Definitely, that is the conflict arises. That is practical thing. Also, we are not providing them proper. I mean, going and generally we have to go that side go walking and no, even we are not sending walking also. This practical aspect. We are sending only up to shop. Bring some salt, bring some milk, like that only. Only small thing. They're happy only 10 to 20%, or not 100% happy. Correct, madam?